Welcome back. Let's do question 3.4.2a. Please read the information if you haven't done so. This part is just still the same. So the question here says determine the equation of the circle with center at E and passing through B and T in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. Right, and then so it means we said BE and ET are are equal. So it means they are radii. So it's a circle with center, cannot fit here, but it's a circle with center E. Then means BE is the radius. BE is the radius. Okay, I'm trying to draw a circle here. So BE is the radius. You see that? Okay, so now we're just substituting here. A is the x coordinate of the center. This A is the x coordinate of the center. This is the y coordinate of the center. Just substitute into this. So it becomes x minus 12 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equal to 4 root 17 squared. Okay. Right. And then done. That's what it's supposed to do. So we can simplify this. Becomes x minus 12 squared plus y squared is equal to 4 root 17 squared. Okay, that's what it's supposed to do there. Right, we're going to meet when we do question 3.4.2b, which is going to be the last part of our question 3.